Most people don't realize how much time, stress, and frustration their car quietly adds to their life until something smarter replaces it. These aren't just cool gadgets. They fix the small problems you deal with every single day, the ones you've gotten used to but shouldn't have to. Less hassle, more control, a driving experience that finally feels effortless. And the surprising part, some of these feel so obvious you'll wonder why you didn't have them years ago. Stay with me, because one of these might instantly change how you use your car. All gadgets are listed in the description below. Number 1. Some car gadgets don't just record your drive, they protect your truth. Meet the Vantrue E360 dashcam, a next-level 360-degree recording system that changes how you see every moment on the road. Because the real problem isn't driving, it's what happens when something goes wrong. A sudden incident, a split-second mistake, and suddenly it's your word against someone else's, with no clear proof. That's where this changes everything. The E360 doesn't just look forward, it sees everything, every angle, every detail, captured with a clarity that leaves no room for doubt. And in that moment, something shifts. You're not driving with uncertainty anymore. You're driving with confidence, knowing that whatever happens, you have the full picture, the truth, exactly as it happened. Even beyond safety, it transforms how you experience the road. Every journey becomes a story you can relive, every moment, preserved from every angle. It's not just a dash cam, it's awareness, security, and control all in one. Because when you can see everything, you're never left guessing again. Number 2. Meet the AstroAI S8 Air, a compact powerhouse that quietly solves two of the most frustrating problems every driver fears. Because the real issue isn't just a dead battery or a flat tire, it's when it happens, late at night, in the middle of nowhere, when help isn't around and stress takes over instantly. This changes that feeling completely. In seconds, your car comes back to life. Your tires are ready again. No waiting, no relying on anyone else, just control, back in your hands. And suddenly, something shifts. You're not driving with that hidden fear anymore. You're prepared, confident, ready for situations that once felt overwhelming. It's small enough to forget, but powerful enough to save your entire journey. Because when problems solve themselves this easily, you don't just drive, you drive without worry. Number 3. Some car gadgets don't just upgrade your vehicle, they transform how it feels to drive. Meet the ATOTO P10 Pro, a smart driving system built to bring modern intelligence into any car. Because the real issue isn't your car, it's how outdated it feels. No smart navigation, no seamless connection, just a disconnected experience that slows you down every single day. The P10 Pro changes that instantly. Your dashboard comes alive, navigation becomes effortless, your phone integrates seamlessly, without distractions, without struggle, everything you need right where you need it. And suddenly, your car doesn't feel old anymore. It feels upgraded, smarter, more in sync with your life. No complicated installations, no need to replace your vehicle, just a simple shift that completely changes your driving experience. You stay focused on the road while everything else flows naturally in the background. It's not just about adding features, it's about removing friction. Because when your car finally works the way you expect it to, you don't just drive, you enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Number 4. Some car gadgets don't just record your drive, they stay connected to it, even when you're not there. Meet the Ultra Pro, a next-gen smart LTE dashcam built for a world where awareness can't stop the moment you step away. Because the real problem isn't just what happens while you're driving, it's what happens when you're not. Your car parked somewhere, out of sight, out of control, and that quiet uncertainty always in the back of your mind. Ultra Pro changes that feeling completely. It doesn't just capture moments, it stays alert, connected, watching in real time. Whether you're inside the car or miles away, you still know what's happening, instantly, clearly, without guessing. And suddenly, something shifts. You're not worrying about your car anymore. You're not second-guessing situations. You're in control. even when you're not physically there. It's more than a dash cam. It's constant awareness, a silent layer of protection that never switches off. Because when your car is always connected, you don't just drive with confidence, you live with it. Number 5. Meet the Jackery Explorer 300, a portable power station that quietly changes how prepared you feel on every journey. Because the real problem isn't just losing power, it's when it happens. On a long road trip, in the middle of nowhere, when your phone is dying, your devices are shutting down, and suddenly you're disconnected when you need connection the most. This changes that instantly. Wherever you go, power follows. Reliable, steady, ready when you need it. Your essentials stay alive, your plans stay on track, and that sense of uncertainty disappears. It's not just about charging devices, it's about keeping your journey uninterrupted. Camping feels easier, road trips feel safer, even unexpected moments feel manageable. And over time, something shifts. You stop worrying about what if. You start focusing on where you're going and what comes next. Because when power is no longer a limitation, your freedom on the road becomes real. Number 6. Some car gadgets don't just connect to your vehicle. They reveal what it's been trying to tell you all along. Meet the OBDLink MX Plus, a smart Bluetooth scanner that turns confusion into clarity. Because the real problem isn't car issues, it's not understanding them. That sudden warning light, that strange behavior, and the feeling of uncertainty not knowing what's wrong or how serious it is. This changes that instantly. Your car starts speaking in a way you can actually understand. Clear insights, real answers, no guessing, no unnecessary trips, just knowledge right in your hands. And suddenly, something shifts. You're not depending on others to tell you what's happening. You're in control. You know what to fix, when to act, and when everything is actually fine. It's not just a tool, it's confidence. Because when you understand your car, you don't just drive it, you take control of it. Number 7. Meet the XTOOL AD20 Pro, a smart dashboard that turns hidden car data into real-time awareness. Because the real problem isn't driving, it's driving without knowing. Your engine working silently, systems running in the background, and you completely unaware until something goes wrong. This changes that instantly. Everything becomes visible, live, clear, easy to understand. You're not guessing anymore. You're seeing exactly what your car is doing in real time. And suddenly, something shifts. You drive with awareness, with confidence. You notice changes before they turn into problems. You stay one step ahead instead of reacting too late. It's not just about data, it's about control. Your car stops being a mystery and starts becoming something you fully understand. Every drive feels smarter. Every decision feels informed. Because when you can see what others can't, you don't just drive. You drive with certainty. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.